Find the quotient using polynomial long division. Okay, long division, we're going to set it up just like long division. If I said 257 divided by 6, you'd put the 6 on the outside and do 257. So I'm going to put the x minus 2 on the outside and the 4x cubed minus 5x squared minus 3. Now notice there's not a linear term. There's not an x to the 1. So I'm going to put 1 in there. 0, x to the 1. You can't skip a power on any of these. So in this first one down here at the bottom, you'd say, well, 6 will go into 25, and you say how many times it'll go. In polynomial long division, it's got to go perfectly. So the 1 will go into the 4x cubed 4x squared times. Now in long division, whatever number you put up here, you multiply it and write it below it. Well, that's what we're going to do. We're going to multiply 4x squared times x minus 2. Now that's a monomial times a binomial. So 4x squared times x is 4x to the third. It's got to match up. That term has to match up. 4x squared minus 2 is minus 8x squared. Now in long division before down here, you would subtract. You know, like after you wrote down 6 times 4 would be 24. 24, you'd subtract, right? Well, we're going to put a subtraction up front, but when you put a subtraction in front of a binomial, it changes both signs. So I do a little rhyme. I say draw a line, change all the signs, then combine. These have to cancel. They have to. That's long division. Okay, negative 5x squared plus 8x squared is a positive 3x squared. Now, just like with long division, you bring down the next term, plus 0x. And then we do it again. We're going to say, well, what do I got to multiply x by to get 3x squared? Well, a positive 3x. 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times negative 2 is minus 6x. Draw a line, change your signs, now combine. These cancel every step. 6x minus 3. Okay, same step up here. You got to ask yourself, what will make an x a 6x? Well, a 6. 6 times x is 6x. That's right. 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. Well, when we draw a line and change our signs, then combine, we get 9. Well, there's no x left. So that's just like the remainder that you had before. In polynomials, our remainder will be written as a quotient. Remember, if you had like a 2 left over, you'd put 2 over, you know, whatever this divisor is over here on the left. Well, we're going to do the same thing. So I'm going to write 4x squared plus 3x plus 6. And then my remainder is positive 9 over my divisor, x minus 2. So right here in the middle in green is your answer. 4x squared plus 3x plus 6 over 9, plus 9 over x minus 2.